Hi little chef, I have some exciting news. And I would have never guessed this to happen. But here we are. So I'm gonna unbox this award while I tell you how I got started. I'm a high school teacher, so during the summertime, I usually go on vacations. 3 years ago, I was out west doing 9 of the national parks when I get a message on Facebook Messenger. And it's from my brother's best friend from elementary school. His mom messaged me and said, "Hey Abby, I know you're in the industry. My old boss is looking for a chef on his yacht." A little strange, but I'm like, sure, give him my contact information. So I had a call with the owner of the yacht that night. I was offered the position that night, and I accepted the job the next morning. And they were in need of a chef really fast. So I actually had to end my trip early and fly to Miami to get there in time. I did all the provisioning on the plane ride from Utah to Florida. I knew I wasn't gonna have much internet on the boat, so I told my friends and family I would document my days on TikTok. I was not trying to be an influencer or anything, just was doing it for fun. So I started posting my daily videos. I had 4 followers, a few of my best friends, and my mom and dad. The TikTok started to get some traction, and it kind of blew up from there. And now we're here. That's insane. To know that I started with 4 followers, now I'm over 1.5 million on TikTok and 100,000 on YouTube. Never thought it would happen. I am so grateful for you all. Thank you for your support. I'm gonna continue this journey of being a chef on a yacht and share all of my cooking knowledge that I have with you. If you are enjoying this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Bye, little chef.